Some of my favorite features in Scratch are the image effects that let you twist and turn and manipulate images on the screen, sort of like the image filters in Photoshop. Let me show you how I sometimes get started with the image effects. So I'm going to get rid of the cat. So I'm going to take the scissors, get rid of the cat, because I want to bring in a picture of myself. So I'll open up a new sprite, start with an image of myself. Well, that's a little bit too big, so I'll shrink it a bit. But now I want to manipulate this image. So I'm going to go to the Looks category, pull out the Change Image Effect block. I'm going to pull down, there are a lot of different choices here. I really like the whirl effect. So when I click on that, it whirls my photo. But actually, I want to make this interactive. I want to be able to control the whirling based on how I move the mouse around. So to do that, I want to pull out a forever block because I want it to keep on doing the whirl as I move the mouse around. So I'm going to say I want to forever set the whirl effect, and I want it to be controlled by the X position of the mouse. So I pull on the mouse X block. Now, as I move the mouse from left to right, changing the X position, it whirls my face one way and the other. So really quickly, I can make a little interactive dynamic project where I can control the whirling of the face. But let's say I want to make my face change color too. Let's do that when I move the mouse up and down. Right now, nothing happens when I move the mouse up and down, but I can pull out a mouse Y block for up and down, go back to the Looks category, and say I want to set the color based on the Y position of the mouse. Now as I go left to right, it still whirls my face, but up and down, it changes the color of my face. So I can go in all different directions and both whirl it and change the colors. So that's a way to get started playing with your face or any other image. You can use this in all sorts of different ways. You can make a dancer and make the dancer, twist back and forth with the whirl. And there are lots of other image effects to try too. You can try pixelate, which turns your face or the image into lots of different pixels, or a fisheye lens. So try out something like this and just try all different image effects and see what you can do to play with different images in Scratch.